It's good. My culture is beautiful. My culture is nice. But there are some harmful cultural practices we want to eradicate in the community. And teenage pregnancy. And organ the cat 1993. That's why what I felt that day, I lose all blood, I fainted. It was very pain. That's why 2012 I started the campaign about FGM. That FGM is not a good practice. I'm a victim of FGM, and I've used this body mapping methodology to work on my own self. As you see, this is my picture. They've drawn me, and everything you see in this picture is what I went through. I used the methodology that I show you to talk to our girls. The way the pain, where the pain is felt, the way the cut is not good, the way we lose our children because of obstructed labor due to FGM, the way we are losing life just because of FGM. And I used to say FGM is a deadly monster. We want our girls to remain perfect as they were born.
Nilikuwa mamangu na babangu amenitayarisha, lakini sasa watoto wangu hawastahilishwa kwa ajili babangu na mamangu wameniweka, lakini nimeona shida. Sasa hii siwezi mkubali mtoto wangu aingie na siwezi kukubali mtoto ya mwingine aingie.
Na tumekataa maneno ya mimba za mapema, tumekataa maneno ya ukeketaji ya wasichana, na tumekubali kuwa watoto wamepata masomo na wataendelea kusoma.
Ulizeni ni mzuri, muziheshimu. There is time for everything.